When I think of every time you let me down, I start to lose control. A lot of weakness. I never told you I was mad. I held it all inside. It don't even matter now. I wanna leave it all behind. It's all or nothing now. But each time I talk to you, I wanna crawl out of my skin with nowhere left to go. What's going on? I'm not feeling sure the way I did before. Like an empty gun, nothing more to give, purely negative. I am going crazy, feeling sorry for myself. Now I'm standing naked. Will I ever see the end? All I ever think about when I'm lying on the floor, how can I hurt you just like you hurt me? I never ever will forget. I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head. Someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life.
be strong. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy, don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough. Hiding away from everyone, I don't know where I'm coming from. It feels like it